Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a 3D model from existing ISO-view drawing with the help of FreeCAD tools like Pocket, Mirror, and Extrude. This is the exercise for today that we need to convert this 3D ISO-view drawing into 3D solid part. As you know, there are several ways or steps to create this 3D solid part. These are the steps and the tools that I used to convert this 3D drawing into 3D solid part. Click simply this button to start the FreeCAD workspace and to create the parametric solid part. As you see, the body is inserted automatically. Now, we create the first sketch on XZ plane. Activate the Sketch tool and select the XZ plane. Create roughly the shape of the profile and constrain the geometries later. Select the endpoints and the symmetry axis and then the symmetry tool. Now, select the dimension tool and add the dimensions. Trim unnecessary edges and curves. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Select the sketch and extrude it by 66 mm and then select the option Symmetric. In step 2, we create the half circle with a radius of 10 and 18 mm. Select this face and then activate the Sketch tool. Extract the reference edges or curves. Remove unnecessary edges and curves. Select the sketch and extrude it by 10 millimeters. Select the last pad and activate the mirror tool and then select the XZ plane. In step 3, we create a hole and also remove material from the top of the created part. Select the top surface and then activate the sketch tool. Select the sketch and activate the pocket tool and then set the depth. Now, create the hole with diameter of 10 millimeters. Select the sketch and activate the hole tool and then select the option through all. Don't forget to like and share the video. Now, we create the part of the solid part which is defined as position 4. Now, we create the profile on XY plane. Select the sketch and extrude it by 30 millimeters. Create the circle in the middle of the line. Trim unnecessary edges and curves. Constrain the endpoints horizontal. In step 5, we remove material from the created part. Select the endpoints and the symmetry axis and then Symmetry tool. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then select the option Up to Face and then select the face. Select the sketch plane or face and then activate the Sketch tool. Activate the View Section tool to see the sketch plane and then extract the reference edges. The curve has two different radiuses, 20 and 24 millimeters. Because of different radiuses, we use the Ellipse tool to create the curve. Now, trim unnecessary curves. Now, the sketch is fully constrained. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then set the depth to 24 millimeters. The last step is to create the rib. Now create a new sketch for the profile and choose the XZ plane to sketch on. Activate the View Section tool and extract the reference edges. Select the sketch and extrude it by 8 mm and then select the option Symmetric. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.